Hey, everybody out there in YouTube land, full throttle kind of guy. Sunday fun day out in the garage, tinkering as always. So, guess what I'm working on? Yep, I got to replace a radiator. Ordered one. Boy, let me tell you what an odyssey with FedEx. It was quite an ordeal. And FedEx, just Mopar Joe, one of my buddies, had a concern, placed an order, major vendor, can't get the parts, back order, tail, blah, 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 blah. It's okay for them to take your money, but not provide a service. Well, a delivery service that this vendor used, it wasn't UPS, wasn't the postal service, really problematic. It wound up at the main office in our Portland branch, from Ashland, Oregon to Portland. It was shipped from California, from Sacto. It took 4 days from Portland to me in Hillsboro. By context, I'm like 17 minutes away. So I don't know if these guys are like drinking or just kicking it at the warehouse or what. I don't know, but I mean, it's like the Keystone Cops over there. But anyways, a major upgrade for the car. Won't tell you exactly what it is just yet, but some of those people that I hang out with in the group, some of them already got an idea what I've got. But once I get it up and running, I've got an appointment at the DMV this Friday. I should get it tagged and bagged and be street legal then. But nice little project. Again, I know, king of the projects. But anyways, if you're ordering parts and you're doing it from online auction sites and they're sending it out, moral of the story is you might be in for a wait. I know they're going to promise, 3-4 day shipping or whatever, or free shipping, but whatever their guarantees are, apparently that doesn't mean anything. You call their customer service centers and they're just professional apologists. That's all they do is just apologize. But to be fair to them, they're tackling dummies for major corporations. Meanwhile, whatever's going on at the parts depots, who the hell knows? Or, once the shipping centers get it, these guys, riding buffers around like the rodeo or, dueling forklifts to the death. I don't know. How hard is it to move a package from one container, scan it, move it to wherever it needs to go? But, I don't know. Not my line of work. But, there is the word rage in garage. So they really know how to put rage in your soul. So if you've ordered a part, you're using vendors in it, hey man, there's delays all over. So what exactly is causing it? Don't know. Not my line of work. Don't care. Just give me my freaking part so I can rock and roll, do my thing. Anyways, in between football games and that, and so getting to enjoy that in the garage. I upgraded my TV situation here, so having some fun there. But yeah, pretty good looking radiator. One of the typical, overseas radiators. I think it was like 148. I could have done an offer on it, but I needed it like ASAP. Or as they say in Korean, kajiwa. I needed it like now, but didn't get it. But thankfully the weather's holding up, so I'm gonna get back to work once I get everything settled in. New reveal, probably come on Friday, maybe Saturday. So heads up, take a look. Again, thanks for stopping on by. Hope y'all are having fun, staying safe, being kind to each other. Thanks again. Full throttle guy out.